Hey guys, Billy Sharasti with Modern Law, and we're doing a tip of the day. We're going to talk about who gets the child stimulus payments when you are a divorced family. This is an interesting issue because there's no actual answer. There is no law that says which parent gets the stimulus checks. We do know that the stimulus checks, which are substantial, $300 per child for kiddos under 6 per month, so up to $3,600 per kiddo. And it's going to be deposited into the bank account of the parent who claimed the child. Now, does that mean that that parent who receives the stimulus money is entitled to the stimulus money? No, not necessarily. And there's a lot of different ways that we can handle it as family law attorneys. We can ask that all payments be applied to any child support arrears. That's a possibility. We can argue that the stimulus payments should be allocated in proportion to who has parenting time. Now, the stimulus payments are only for parents who make less than $75,000 as an individual and less than $150,000 as a couple. So what if one parent qualifies for the checks and the other does not? Well, then what you really want to do is you want to make sure that the parent who qualifies takes as many of the exemptions as possible in order to get that money. And then you make a side deal to see who can take the actual money or whether or not that parent is willing to split it equally. So communication is best, but if that doesn't work, it's something that we have a lot of creative control over. So for instance, I have 4 kids. It's a lot of kids. It's a lot of kids. It's a lot of money. And if you are trying to figure out how to get that allocated and you can't come up with an agreement, and you already have other litigation going, then it is something that you want to put into the mix. I would not say that this is something that you really want to start a case over, probably, because it's probably going to cost you more than it's worth, and we just don't know what the outcome will be. But if you already have a case going, it should be part of the discussion. Whether or not you have a case going, it should be part of the discussion. So you should be talking about it, figuring out what's best for you and your children, how to maximize that government benefit, because one way or the other, we're going to end up paying for it. So that's all for now. Clear as mud. Hope it's helpful. Bye.